Friends, have you ever seen twins who look exactly similar but their nature is exactly opposite? At least in Hindi movies, you must have watched such characters. There is one special class of organic compounds which behave like these twins. Yes, I am talking about stereoisomers. In 11th and 12th standard, you must have come across word isomers. You will easily tell me definition that the compounds having same molecular formula but different structures are called isomers. In fact, isomers are primarily classified into two groups, structural isomers and stereoisomers. The definition we just quoted is of structural isomers. You have studied types of structural isomers very well. Let us now focus the right part of chart, stereoisomers. Before we go to stereoisomerism, the first question is what is difference between structural isomers and stereoisomers? In structural isomers, the arrangement of atoms is completely different. For example, consider butane with molecular formula C4H10. It has two isomers, N-butane and isobutane. In N-butane, the carbon is straight chain, whereas in isobutane, the carbon chain is branched. Let us consider another example. Look at these two compounds. Both have same molecular formula, but one is alcohol and other is ether. So their functional groups are different, their structures are different. What I want to emphasize is in structural isomers, the structures of two isomers are completely different. But in stereoisomers, the structures of two isomers are also same. Then why to call them as two different compounds? Answer is their spatial arrangement, that is arrangement in space. The relative arrangement of atoms or groups in space is different. Stereoisomers are again of two types, geometrical isomers and optical isomers. In this video, we'll talk about geometrical isomers. All health conscious people are concerned about trans fats in food products. The food products which claim zero trans fats are preferred as these fats increases risks of developing heart diseases. These trans fats are organic compounds and are in fact examples of geometrical isomers. I will explain this in detail after you understand concept of geometrical isomerism. Suppose I tell you to write structure of 2-butene. If you write it like this, you will miss important details. This is not one compound, but in fact two compounds, which I can write as. Observe these two arrangements carefully. Structure of compound is same in both. However, in one arrangement, similar groups are on one side of double bond, whereas in other, similar groups are on opposite side of double bond. So these two are geometrical isomers. If you understand this, let us see definition of geometrical isomers. The isomers which possess the same molecular formula, same structural formula, but differ in the spatial arrangement of the groups around the carbon-carbon double bond are known as geometrical isomers, and the phenomena is known as geometrical isomerism. Thus, geometrical isomerism is possible when compound contains carbon-carbon double bond. When similar groups are on same side of double bond, we call isomer as cis isomer. And when similar groups are on opposite side of double bond, we call the isomer as trans isomer. Now, question is why geometrical isomerism exists? The reason is restricted rotation about carbon-carbon double bond. As you know, carbon-carbon single bond can rotate freely. However, carbon-carbon double bond cannot rotate freely and there is restricted rotation around carbon-carbon double bond. To understand this, let us check bonding in alkene. Consider ethene molecule. Both carbons in ethene are sp2 hybridized. That means each carbon has 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals and one unhybridized p orbital. One of the sp2 orbital of both carbon is used to form carbon-carbon sigma bond. Remaining 2 sp2 orbitals are used to form sigma bonds with s orbital of hydrogen. This forms sigma framework, and this sigma framework and the carbon and hydrogens are in one plane. One unhybridized p orbital of each carbon is perpendicular to this sigma framework and forms pi bond by lateral overlap. The two arrangements we have seen just now, cis and trans, for converting one to other, that is from cis to trans or trans to cis, we have to rotate one of the carbon through 180 degree. This means we have to break the lateral overlap of p orbital, that is pi bond. This needs energy. So rotation around double bond is restricted. Now next question is, do every alkene molecule show geometrical isomerism? Answer is no. Geometrical isomerism is possible only when each of the doubly bonded carbon atom has two different groups. If two groups attached to doubly bonded carbon are same, compound will not show geometrical isomerism. Let me explain this with example. Consider propene. I can write propene like this. Now you can see that one of the doubly bonded carbon is attached to two hydrogens. That is, groups attached to doubly bonded carbon are same. So propene do not show geometrical isomerism. Now let us change one of the hydrogen by chlorine. So now compound is 1-chloropropene. This compound shows geometrical isomerism as the groups attached to doubly bonded carbon are different. Two arrangements, cis and trans, are shown here. Not only alkene but oximes and azo compounds also exhibit geometrical isomerism provided they follow the condition of different groups attached to doubly bonded carbon or nitrogen. Geometrical isomerism is also exhibited by cyclic compounds. Those cyclic compounds contain carbon-carbon single bond, rotation is restricted due to cyclization. Let us summarize few important points. Geometrical isomerism is exhibited by alkenes, oximes, azo and cyclic compounds. Reason for geometrical isomerism is restricted rotation. Geometrical isomers generally show same chemical properties but may differ in physical properties. At the start of this video, I talked about twins with opposite nature. I will like to share this interesting example of geometrical isomers. Vegetable oils and animal fats contain unsaturated fatty acids, which may be cis or trans. Out of this, cis fats are beneficial and can promote good cholesterol. On the other hand, trans fats are considered harmful to health. This is why study of stereoisomerism is absolutely important for organic chemists. In next video, we will discuss about optical isomerism.